Hey everyone, I'm here with the beautiful Julia Karen and the wonderful Pamela Quantrill.
Hi.
And of course I'm Diana Sampson, and we've come to Emerson College today because we are so excited to be running the higher frequency retreat in September over the autumn equinox, and we've got so many wonderful activities that we're going to be sharing with you all. We're sitting in this gorgeous land and having a wonderful time, and we're just giggling and having so much fun. Julia, what are you going to be offering?
Well, amongst other things, definitely chakra dancing. It's just got such a high frequency and I really cannot wait to do it here. It's just going to be amazing.
I love your chakra dancing. It's so much fun and so cleansing and clearing. I so can't wait.
Absolutely.
So we're in for a real treat.
And the frequency is so high here anyway, so it will be amazing.
It's absolutely stunning. We're so blessed. Pamela, what are you going to be offering?
Well, I'm going to be offering some Reiki and some practical tips for people. Anyone can do it. Even if you aren't Reiki attuned, I'm going to show you something that you can do self-healing for your family, your pets.
And you've just come back from Mexico, so you put all that Mayan energy with
I
you.
have, and I've got a few little things, little treats I'm going to bring from Mexico.
Oh, I'm so excited by that. And I'm going to be offering some gorgeous high frequency yoga, deep connection to the earth and the moon and the seasons and the mudras, and we're going to chant around fires. Karen's going to do some gorgeous dancing around the fire as well. We're going to be meditating in nature. We're going to have such a beautiful time. Biodynamic food, cacao, my goodness, cacao ceremonies with the chakra dancing. Anything else, ladies?
Just lots of fun and laughter.
Yeah. Lots of giggling, lots of swinging on beautiful swings that we've just been doing. It's going to be amazing. We're so looking forward to it.
And lots of time out for you. Time out for you to just let go, relax and just be you.
I'm going to suggest you do some nice walking meditations and just take in the energy here. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait to see you all.
Yeah, so if you're thinking about coming along, we'd love to see you building our frequencies into a healing vibration. So yeah, see you on September
the 19th.
Yes.
Till the 21st.
So much love, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.